going, everybody? We are back here at it again. We're gonna be shooting some carp, and also a lot of you guys are gonna be looking at the title and be like, what just happened? We're gonna need a story time, and that's what I'm going to explain here. Before I get started, if you guys want to show some support, drop a like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever. It'd be very much appreciated. I also have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, so make sure you go check out those pages. Story time. I came down the hill of the road to come park my pickup over in the boat parking lot. And I came over and I saw this kayaker. I wasn't 100% sure what he was doing. It just looked like he was normally paddling when I came up top of the hill. But when I started to get closer, it almost looked like his kayak was capsized. And then I couldn't tell if he was like paddling the kayak or trying to stay above the water. I couldn't really tell at that point. I could tell he had a life vest on. But as I got closer and closer, I kind of assumed that his kayak was capsized. And as you guys can see in the background there, it is really windy out here. And you do not want to be on a kayak at this time of the day with this much winds. So I looked around and I could see that there was a boat actually right over here, probably in this area. He was way down over there. And I actually got the thing on video, so I'll show you that video too. But I started flailing my arms trying to get their attention, and they finally did come over there. And I said, they couldn't hear me because of the wind, but I just pointed towards them. I tried to yell, but that didn't really work. But I pointed towards them, and they said they'd go check it out. And sure enough, he was capsized. He had one of those inflatable kayaks, and it was popped. Capsized, and it was popped, and he was in the water, staying above with his life vest. So here, I'll go show you a couple clips that I took. I can't remember what I all took the videos of, but I will tell you that they got him safely in the boat, plus his inflatable kayak, and he is safely on shore now. I did watch him drop them off. Also, his buddy did come towards him. He was in an actual kayak, not an inflatable one. But I could tell right as I was leaving, they were loading him up into the boat too and getting him to the shore. Will say, if it wasn't for me and that other boat, I'm not for sure if that man would have got out of that situation. But also, I just want to say the key facts of safety. First off, don't be riding kayaks in this windy of a day. Now, I guess it was a little bit calmer towards the day, so we could have been out already. But if you see an increase or a change of weather, please get off the water. Also, guys, make sure you wear a life vest. That life vest save that man's life, 100%. First thing I'm gonna say here is, guys, please be safe when you're kayaking and even boating. Winds like this can throw you all over the place. So now we're gonna shoot some carp. Alright, can we hit our first fish first fling of the arrow? I don't know, let's see. Oh god, there's a whole bunch down there. Okay. There's a couple decent ones. Dang it, right above him. Should've took my time. Oh. Oh. Okay, why? He swims out. He's dead. Sheesh. Well, I got him. Oh, you're gonna swim right to me. Okay, bye. Get back here. Okay. Dang it, I'm gonna dirty up this water because but normally, okay, don't be like that. Actually, oh shoot, there's one swimming right towards me. Dude, chill out. Okay, as long as I just don't want them to swim towards me. Or I don't want them to get past me. Okay, buddy. Not being very nice to me. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna fall. Actually, this isn't dirtying up the water too bad. Okay. That's a nice guy. Ooh. Okay. No. Don't do that. Dang it, it didn't go through him. Okay. Pause, you guys don't get to see this. Guys, one of my GoPro batteries did die, but I got one more, and we are heading to the second spot. This is if you watched the video before this, this is where we went before. So we're gonna try this spot one more time. Guys, we got those 3 carp, but that was it for what we shot. I guess I didn't do any fishing today, but I guess we'll leave that for another day. I did find a good bass fishing spot. Me and my friend went down there and hammered them. I wasn't recording, sadly, but I will next time. I just want to say thank you guys for all the support and everything. Also, guys, if you want to go check out my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, they're all just at TMBaits. And also, don't forget to check out tmbaits.com. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like and a follow. Thank you.